in.
Woo! Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. We're gonna like it? Yeah. I told you he was gonna get me.
I welcome you to the freak show.
Freak
I hope
show?
you enjoy it.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. This thing is spinning fast. Ooh, look at all this paint in here.
Awesome.
Holy cow. It's
Beautiful.
awesome.
They're gonna like
Oh,
you.
God. Oh, I can't wait.
They're gonna like him. Uh-oh.
Maybe not you though.
Probably not. No, I stink.
They're not gonna like you.
Okay, okay. Okay, Toodles.
Sorry.
I see how it is.
Look at this guy.
Hey, take a look in the mirror. I don't need to. You already looked at me.
You know that mirror ain't right.
Laura.
Oh, no! No bed bugs, no spiders.
I
No.
remember.
No.
You don't remember me though, because
Ah.
Yeah.
Ooh. No, I like that guy back there.
Oh, yeah?
I like this. This is a cotton candy one.
That
Holy
sounds good.
shit. What
about you?
What? What about me? Ooh.
Because I can cut you to pieces, take your eyeballs out,
No.
and chop you down the middle,
Oh my God.
eat you up.
You would have two Noras, and that is not good.
Yes, I will. Without you.
Yeah.
Okay. It's my room. Oh shit, Eric.
Choose your destiny.
Choose it? I don't know if they'll let us.
This isn't the right way.
There's a bunch of clowns out here.
Wrong way.
Not where we're
Wrong
supposed
way.
to be. Ethan, lead the way. Oh my God, what is he doing? Ew! He just tried to give you a book. Oh my goodness. There's something really wrong with this.
Where is she?
I don't know if I've tried. I don't think so. Unless it's on the floor. It's not that way. We already went that way. You guys are good. Oh my God, they completely deceived us. They need to be called deceiving clowns. Oh my goodness. To play, 25 cents. We already played and we died too. I told you, you don't listen to them. But they did help us out. You get in that maze, I feel sorry for you.
I'm really digging the paintings, man.
Oh my God, they're like, oh, I'm sneaky. Does that say doodles? Yeah, toodles and doodles.
Time to bust you all open like little pinatas and watch you
No!
candy.
No, no candy.
I was making me laugh thinking about all the ways I can murder all of you.
You're not murdering me. She's like, I
I like to play a game.
Yes, fall to my death.
know. Yeah, we're
I
going
will laugh.
bottomless.
You okay, Dad? What?
These clowns are mean, y'all. These are not normal clowns.
We want to party.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh, this one is freaking awesome tonight.
Oh,
Bye, clowns. Oh,
bye,
God.
clowns.
They're
We
gonna
love you. We love Killer Klowns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Holy
There was so much fog and bright colors in there. It was
That was the
freaking
best I've
awesome.
seen Killer Klowns.
Did you guys have fun in there? Yeah, that was fun.
That was the best I'd seen Killer Klowns, I'll tell you
Oh, that was freaking good. I would love to walk through there again if we have more
I've been
time.
in Killer
Like, that
Klowns
was
when there was
fun.
like literally nothing.
Did you
no
see
old
how
days. That's what it's
Toodles-
supposed to be like.
Did you see how Toodles was trying to deceive us? There's
messing
Toodles
with
and
us.
I think it said Doodles on their backs.
Yeah.
And she told me that the whole time I was talking to Doodles and she was lying to me, but I was actually talking to Toodles. Like, see, I'm confused. I don't even know what I'm talking about.
That was great.